natin.
Pasok na kami dun sa puerto na underground namin.
Dan pa nito.
Bali 5 kami. Hindi pa kami dito sa boat.
One, two, three. Ilan ba tayo, El? 5 lang tayo, El? El, 5 lang tayo, El? 5 lang tayo, no? 5 lang. 4 yung nandito eh. 4 yung bakante.
1, 2. Ba't di okay lang? Okay lang kung hindi kami puno na.
Kailang volunteer, wala na rin. 8 po to eh. Wala na rin mag-volunteer dahil family na rin sila, sir.
Sila sabay-sabay sila.
Saka ganun din sir, ilalagay natin 2. Sila rin magkukulang doon.
Oo.
Kasi 7 na sila, isang
Tama lang. Oo. So ganito na siya, no? Hindi siya...
Hindi po siya mayroong wave or rough yung water. Kalmada lang po lagi.
Lagi?
Opo. Meron lang siyang current sir, yung movement ng water, blowing out toward the sea. So that's why going inside the cave or against the current, it's very hard for us to paddle. But the moment going back, it's easier because it's going downstream.
Yeah.
First time.
Oh,
sir,
the bats.
Yes.
Yeah, super.
Don't worry, this is my second.
This is your second.
I just made my first trip for this with those teachers ng sa DepEd po.
Yeah, we were together.
Ay, kasama niyo po yun?
Rap.
Rap.
Can we put our autographs there?
Oh my God, may ano,
No, not
basa.
allowed.
Who are those names?